Hello traders. Today we are looking at the MACD tape indicator for MetaTrader 4 and I'll show you how this visual MACD momentum band works on your chart. Now we'll load the MACD tape indicator on the chart so we can have a clear view of what it looks like. As you can see, it has a distinct tape-like feature or color reference and a zero baseline. On the chart, the MACD tape indicator displays as a color-coded band or ribbon, as you can see, that represents the MACD state visually. The tape changes color based on the MACD condition, such as bullish momentum, bearish momentum, or transitional states. You can see the blue for bullish, orange for transition, red for bearish. This tape format provides a quick and intuitive way to assess the MACD status without needing to analyze the traditional line and histogram display in a separate window. What are its settings? We go over to settings. In the input, we can see the history, the standard MACD, fast, slow, and signal period parameters, along with options for the tape display such as thickness and alerts for traders. We also have the color of the tape and the time frame to be used. You can adjust these parameters to suit your trading style. Now, who is it for? This indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 4 who use MACD analysis and prefer a simplified visual representation. If you notice on the chart, we also have arrows for visual cues. The arrows pointing the direction of the trend at the base or at the top of the price. It's a visual and analytical tool, as we can see, because of its use of the MACD. However, it carries the same underlying limitations, including flagging and false signals in choppy markets. We should always confirm with additional analysis tools and not just leave it up to the MACD tape indicator. That's going to wrap up today's video, folks. If you'd like to download this video or this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. This is the Forex Geek, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.